Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest paper snowflake.
Come to HECTANOOGA 1 and I have another paper ornament craft for you today. Paper ornaments are fun and inexpensive to make, and I put a link below for all my videos on paper ornaments. Fold a sheet of printer paper in half and then cut it on the fold.
Fold it in half and then just keep folding it in half. Like that. And now fold it accordion pleats. Like that. Do the same thing with this one. Like that. And now I'm just going to mark a point at the end, and then I'm just going to do 2 circles and then cut those away. Place it over the first one and mark that one as well. Cut that out. I'm going to use some Elmer's glue. And now I'm just going to cut off approximately 1 inch off the bottom. So now I'm going to glue this piece to this piece, like that, so that they match. So we have a circle, and now I'm just going to open it up like that. And I'm going to glue some beads onto a piece of paper. And then I'm going to cut around like that. And then I'm going to bring my ring over, and I'm just going to flatten it down like that. And I'm going to glue my beads in the center. Like that. And then I'll do another one on the other side. Like that. Your ribbon for hanging. And there you have a very easy paper snowflake. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.